Hi there. Hi everyone. Welcome today in this additional with extra Sudokus of today's newspaper on Friday. Yes, almost weekend. Friday, January the 15th, 2021. We have here in this additional Sudoku with 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars, but also a tectonic. Tectonic with 4 stars. Binary number 1, binary number 2. So total of 8 extra Sudokus. And I've mentioned before I won't do all of them. The Sudokus. It's too much for solving them because I need the time also for uploading them. So it will be a lot of work, and my connection is not so fast, internet connection. So only 4 of them I will solve. A Sudoku with 3 stars I will solve. A Sudoku with 4 stars I will solve. 1 tectonic and 1 binary. Alright. The first one, Sudoku with 3 stars. This will be number 2, 1, 6, 8. Alright. And before I start, I always count the printed numbers. Well, all of those Sudokus with stars has 25 printed digits. I've already counted them. So let's get started. Let me see. Which number can I pick? How about 1 in this column? A 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 1 should be there. Then 5 in this column. 5 in that column. So the middle column, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 5 in this row, 5 in that row. So in the middle row, the only place for the 5 should be there. Then how about these 5 missing numbers in this big square? One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5, no 5 in these 3 boxes. Here 5, no 5 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 5. Should be there. 5 in this column. 5 in the second column. So in the third column, only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in the first row, 5 in the third row, so the row between the second row. Only place for the 5 should be here. 5 in the last column, 5 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And all the 5s are used, I can see. Yes, digit number 1, number 5. Then. How about the number? The number. We have a pair, the 2 and the 7 in this row, the 2 and the 7 in the second row. So in the first row, the 2 and the 7 should be in these 2 boxes. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. 4 missing numbers in the second row. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1 in this big square. So no 1 in these 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 3, 9. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see an 8 in this column, so no 8 there. Here an 8 in the first column, so no 8 in that box. One box left for the 8. Should be there. Two numbers left. The 3 and the 9. We see here 9. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 3 goes there. How about these three numbers in this row? Those missing numbers are the 8 is missing, the 9 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 893, 893, 893. I cannot fill this yet. 893. That means the other two missing numbers in this big square, 893, should be the 4 and the 6 are missing. The 4 and the 6. Let me mark those two boxes. It's a pair. It's a pair. Alright, 4 and a 6. Then 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. Here 9, no 9 in those two boxes. One box left for the 9. Should be here. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see there 4. No 4 in those two boxes. One box left for the 4. Should be here. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 1. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 1 goes there. One number left in this third column for the number 1. Then 2 numbers left in the first column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 and the 7 are missing. Let me mark those 2 numbers. 6 and 7. 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2. Okay. How about the 3 in this row, the 3 in that row? So in the middle row, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here. 8 in this row, 8 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only place for the 8 that should be there. Then for 5 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see there 6, no 6 in those 3 boxes. There are 6, no 6 in those 2 boxes. One box left for the 6. Should be here. Now we have a 6 here, so this is going to be 6 anymore. This should be a 6. And this should be a 4. 3 in this column, 3 in that column. So the middle column, the only place for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 9 goes and there. So we have a 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. And then 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 4 and 7. 4 and 7. 4 and 7. We see there 4. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 4. We have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 2 goes there. Now we have a 2 here. So this can be 2 anymore. This should be a 2. And this should be a 7. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 7 and 8. 7 and 8. We have a 8 there. No 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 7 goes there. And then 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 2, the 3, and the 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. And look, we have a 3 and a 4 here in this row. So no 3 and a 4 in this box. The 3 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes. Let me mark those 2 boxes. I cannot fill this yet. So 1 digit left in this big square for the number 2. Alright. So we have here 4 missing numbers. 6, 7, and 3, 4. 6, 7, and 3, 4. 6, 7, and 3, 4. And look, we have a 6, 7 here in this column. So the other two digits, 3, 4. So we have a pair here, 3 and a 4, and this should be also 6 and a 7. 6 and a 7 a pair, 3 and a 4 as a pair. Alright. Alright. 3, 9. Yes, 3 missing numbers in the third row. Those missing numbers are the 3 is missing, the 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 3, 8, 9. 3, 8, 9 in this row. We see a 3 and a 9 here, so no 3 and a 9 in this box. The 3 and a 9 goes in those two boxes. Let me mark those two boxes. So 1 digit left in the third row for the number 8. So we have an 8 in this column, 8 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And now, how about... Yeah, 1 number left in this row for the number 7. Now we have a 7 here, so this cannot be a 7 anymore. This should be a 6. And this should be a 7 in this row. 1 number left in this column for the number 6. Yes. So we have a 7 in this row, 7 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 1 number left in this row for the number 1. Then 2 numbers left in this row, the middle row for the numbers 9 and 4. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here and a 4 goes there. Now we have a 9 here, so this can be 9 anymore. This should be a 9 and this should be a 3. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 1 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 1 should be here. 1 number left in this last column for the number 4. Now we have a 4 here, so this box cannot be 4 anymore. This should be a 3. And this box in this row should be a 4. 1 box left in this big square for the number 3. 1 box left in this big square for the number 2. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 4 and 6. We have a 6 there, no 6 there, 6 should be here. And the 4 goes there. Finish in 13 minutes. Oh, right. Great Sudoku. I like this 3 stars Sudoku. And I'm very pleased with the time, 13 minutes. So if you like this Sudoku, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a few seconds with the second Sudoku. It will be a 4-star Sudoku, so prepare for the 4-star Sudoku. See you later. Bye-bye for now.